Hi guys, here I got the new XIAOMI Mi Band 5. So here I have the 5. I just bought it just now. A bit crushed from the delivery. Got some things here. But I've been using this one for a little bit. The 4. I will be doing a comparison video with that, so let's get back to the unboxing. So we got same as my 4. The watch, manuals. Hi guys, how do you think you enjoyed it? And 3 things please. First thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second, please like this video. And third, please share it to all your contacts. Thank you. Charger. So this is something that was upgraded from the old one. Here I have the old one from Band 4. So the old one you had to remove the strap to put inside. It was really annoying. But this one, it's magnet. Let's get it out. Here you got the Band 4. The screen. Okay. Just go for English. Okay, I'll be doing that after. Here we have it. So here you can see the magnet. It charges like that. You don't have to take off the strap as the old one. Here, you had to take off that, then put it inside like that. Then you got it ready for paint. But this one here, you don't have to. Oh, okay. To remove the strap is much harder. Here to do the scanning. Watch. Sensors slightly different. I'm gonna do a comparison video. So yeah, I won't talk more about this. But just one thing is there is a difference. It's bigger. There's a matte, plastic mat on the heartbeat sensor there. That's basically it. Thank you and bye.